Hi friends, good morning. Last lecture we have studied till neon charge, positive or negative element having either positive charge or negative charge. It is depend on getting or giving electron because every element wants to become noble gas. For that, elements can get electron or elements can give electron. So that was last lecture's topic. So today I welcome again all of you from Samved School, myself AG sir. Today we will discuss from sodium to calcium related its charge. So we are having two noble gas near sodium to calcium. First noble gas is neon and another noble gas is argon. Atom number of neon is 10 and atom number of argon is 18. So every elements want to become from sodium to calcium either neon or argon. So first element is sodium. So sodium having 11 electron. So sodium will convert to neon or argon. If want to convert neon, sodium should lose 1 electron, and want to convert argon, sodium should get 7 electron. So it is very easy to lose 1 electron. So sodium will lose 1 electron and sodium will have the electronic configuration or number of electron like neon. So sodium will lose 1 electron. It means the electron will be shown right side the arrow. Sodium will lose 1 electron and sodium will convert into sodium plus. If an element is losing electron, then charge will plus. An element will gaining electron, charge will minus. So sodium is losing 1 electron. So sodium will convert into sodium plus. So number of sodium having 11 electron, number of sodium plus having 10 electron. Very easy. Now turn is for magnesium. Magnesium atom number 12. So it has 12 electron. So for magnesium, it will be easy to convert into sodium, neon, not argon. So magnesium will lose 2 electron. So will lose 2 electron and magnesium will have 2 plus charge. So this magnesium having 12 electron and this magnesium having 10 electron because this magnesium has lost 2 electron. Now aluminium. Then aluminium having 13 electron because atom number of aluminium is 13. So aluminium will convert into neon because neon means 10 electron, argon means 18 electrons. So aluminium can easily lose 3 electron. It is difficult to gain 5 electron. So aluminium will lose 3 electron. So aluminium will convert into aluminium 3 plus. This aluminium having 13 electron and aluminium 3 plus having 10 electron. Now again confusion. It is for silicon. Silicon atom number 14 means it has 14 electron. Can lose 4 electron, then electron will be 10. Can gain 4 electron, then electron will be 18. So like carbon atom number 6 can lose 4 electron, convert into helium, can gain 4 electron, convert into neon. Same, silicon is not a metal, it is half metal. So silicon can lose 4 electron, silicon can get 4 electron. If silicon is losing 4 electron, then silicon will lose 4 electron, then Si4 plus, Si having 14 electron, Si4 plus having 10 electron. If silicon is gaining 4 electron, then silicon will 4 minus. This silicon having 14 electron and this silicon having 18 electron. Because silicon has got 4 electron. So 14 electron was neutral silicon have present and get 4 electrons. So 14 plus 4 total Si4 minus having 18 electron. So very simple topic we have discussed from sodium to silicon. Now we will discuss from phosphorus to argon and calcium and potassium. So very easy, very simple. Again we are having the term of phosphorus, so we will write down the discussion of phosphorus. Now same way, same method. Phosphorus P, atom number 15, so it has 15 electron. Phosphorus wants to convert into neon, should lose 5 electron, and phosphorus want to convert into argon, then should get 3 electron. Lose 5 electron is difficult than to gain 3 electron. So phosphorus will gain 3 electron. So phosphorus will convert into P3 minus. This phosphorus having 15 electron and this phosphorus 3 minus having 18 electron. Now turn will come of sulfur. So sulfur having atom number 16, so it means it has 16 electron. If want to convert neon, sulfur can lose 6 electron. Want to convert into argon, sulfur can gain 2 electron. To lose 6 electron is difficult than to gain 2 electron. So generally sulfur is getting 2 electron. So sulfur will get 2 electron. So sulfur will become S2 minus. So this sulfur having 16 electron and this sulfur having 18 electron. Then chlorine. So atom number of chlorine is 17. So chlorine having 17 electron. To convert into neon lost 7 electron. To convert into argon gain 1 electron. Very difficult. To lose 7 electron. Very easy to gain 1 electron. So chlorine will gain 1 electron. So Cl will get 1 electron and Cl minus. This Cl having 17 electron. This chloride ion having 18 electron. Argon itself noble gas, so there is no discussion to convert argon into argon or argon will convert into neon. That is not possible. Now turn will come potassium. Potassium having 19 electron. Very easy to convert into argon because has to lose only 1 electron. So potassium will lose 1 electron, will convert into potassium plus. This potassium having 18 electron. Calcium, very easy to convert into argon. So calcium will lose, calcium having 20 electron. So calcium will lose 2 electron. So calcium will become 2 plus. This calcium having neutral having 20 electron. Calcium 2 plus having 18 electron. Now you have perfectly understood that why charge is obtained by an atom. When atom is having any charge, it is converted into ion. This is sulfur, this is sulfide ion, this is potassium, this is potassium ion, this is chlorine, this is chloride ion. If there is charge, ion suffix must be attached. You cannot say this is potassium ion. You can say this is potassium. You cannot say this is chlorine, this is chloride ion, and this is chlorine. You cannot say this is sulfur, this is sulfide ion, and this is sulfur atom. So difference between a neutral atom and ion is charge. If there is charge present on any atom, then it is not neutral, it is ion. It may be positive ion or it may be negative ion. So very most important topic today you have studied. And now next lecture we will start chapter number 1, basic concept of chemistry. Kindly keep book with you and do homework twice by evening 7 p.m. today. Thank you very much.